Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G, come back at you one more again. And in this video I want to talk to you about using your antivirus program to scan for viruses. If someone sends you a file, whether it's a picture, whether it's music or a document file, you want to make certain that it does not contain any viruses. When I had my computer back in 1998, I had a Windows 95 computer then. Windows 98 had just come out, but I got the last of the Windows 95 computers. And someone from my mom's job had given me a disk to upload on my computer. And I already had Norton installed on my computer, and I'm glad I did, because when I tried to access the file from the disk, there was a virus on it. Now, the person was very apologetic. He did not know that there was a virus on the disk. He did not do it intentionally, and it was forgiven. There was no harm or damage that came to my computer. There was no need for me to get upset or riled up or anything like that. But I need to show you how to scan those files so that you do not get infected, whether the person sends it maliciously or unintentionally. Most of the time, when your friends or colleagues send you something, an email, it's unintentionally that there's a virus on it that they may not have known about. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and it's relatively simple. If you don't have an antivirus program, you can get one from pretty much anywhere where they sell electronics or anything of that nature. I'm at Office Depot's website right now. You can get this from Best Buy. You can get it off Amazon, Newegg. You can even go to the manufacturer's website and get the necessary program. They have several. This is McAfee. Depending on the price, there is a difference when it comes to whether it's a download version or a CD or DVD version. McAfee has this. Norton Antivirus have this. There are several different brands of antivirus programs, and there's no wrong one as long as you get something to protect yourself from anything that may cause your computer harm or even damage it to the point where it's pretty much rendered inoperable, where you would have to do a complete format, wipe the entire hard drive out, and then reinstall everything. And that is a headache in itself. That could take anywhere from hours to days to recover from. But once you do have the antivirus program installed, so if someone sends you a file, say like if they sent you a music file, such as one of these, or they sent you the entire this 4 set of music files, you don't want to just click on it immediately, because if it's infected, you're not going to know it until it's too late. So you don't click on a file that someone sent you immediately. What you're going to do is you're going to right click on the file, and this will bring up a sub menu. Within the sub menu, you should see something that says, in this case I have Norton installed, so this is going to tell me Norton 360, and it says scan now. If you have McAfee or any other program, it should be listed in this area. You're going to go to scan now and let it scan, and it'll tell you no threats were found. It tells you how many items were scanned, how many risks were detected, if it detected anything, and whether it resolved it or not. And if it did, then you're good. If there are no viruses found, you're good. Once you're done, you click finish. That means that the file is now safe to open. But let's say that you would have to scan all 4 files at once. Well, you don't have to go like scan this one first, scan this one next, and so on and so forth. You can actually scan all 4 files at once. Hold down your left mouse button, and then you'll see a line that's highlighted in blue, and you'll see all the files get highlighted. When they do, right click on either file, come down to the Norton 360 or whichever antivirus program you have, and click on the scan now. And it'll tell you all the items that was scanned. It says 8, but there are files within those files. That's why there's 8 instead of 4. Click finish. That means all these files are safe. And that's basically how you will go about scanning your computer to make sure that the files that someone sent you are not infected. If they are infected, make certain that you delete the file unless the antivirus program quarantines it or it's able to actually completely eradicate the virus. In any case, make sure that you contact your friend or colleague who sent you the file and let them know that what they sent is infected with a virus so they can take care and resolve the problem on their end. That's all to it. So I hope this helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.